The fact that it itches on the face is what me I don't understand. And when you use it, you get this burning sensation for the first 3, in fact for the first 1 week. It clears your skin, then after a while you see sunburn, you see redness. That's what I don't understand about it. So
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey amazing people, this is me, this is I, and this is us. Yeah, it's Sunita right here. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Sunita Emmanuel. Okay, I'm based in Nigeria. I film about skincare videos, lifestyle, whatever it is you want to see. Just let me know down in the comment section. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to this very one. Okay, yeah, on this video I want to talk about the 3 most popular soap, the 3 cheapest most popular soap. I don't know if that's the word to call it now, because these soaps are trending. These soaps are very much affordable and they are trending. Okay, are they overrated? Is it that people are talking about it because of it works a lot, or how? Like, I don't know how to put it. So if this is something you want to watch, definitely do well to stick around. Soaps I'm talking about are none other than the Dudu, Osun, Asante, as well as Extract. This soap, trust me, these soaps are very popular. Okay, these soaps are very, very trendy. People are using this soap, like a lot of people. If I show you my DM and to show, like showing you people who are coming for these products, and they'll tell you, please, I want this, how does it work? I want to try this, how does it work? Like, are they worth it? Okay, that's the question a lot of people are asking me. In fact, that's the question I'm asking myself. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing them one after the other in my own way, in my own understanding, and telling you what I feel about them, and telling you whether or not it is something you should try out. I'm not saying it will not work on you, or I'm not saying they are bad, but based on my review or based on my experience, what do I think about these soaps? Now, the number 1, let's talk about Dudu Osun. Dudu Osun I've used for the longest time. I started using Dudu Osun right from childhood through my dad, because he was a lover. He was using Zeal black soap prior to Dudu Osun. Then after which he started using Dudu Osun. You know, it had one particular packaging back then, and then as of last year they changed the whole packaging and the smell. So I'm not even sure about the smell right now. Like, I'm not sure if I'm vibing with that particular smell, but yeah, that's the soap. Prior to this time, the packaging was everything for me. But the thing about this soap is that they do not have a website where you can actually browse and know how best to use this soap. Another thing I don't like about it is the fact that it dries out the skin. So for people who do not know how to use this soap, you might not understand, like you might not know how to use it. It's not a bad soap either, because it kind of lightens the skin as well. It contains honey. It's supposed to moisturize the skin, okay, because of the honey in it. Okay, it contains a whole lot of natural ingredients that will help lighten up your skin, but then again it dries out the skin. While I was using this soap, it was nice on me, like especially for people with acne. If you feel you have acne on your face, you're breaking out, if you use Dudu Osun, trust me, you're definitely going to love it. The thing that made me stop using it was the fact that my feet were turning dark. Okay, that's one thing I didn't like about it as well. That's another thing I didn't like about it. The fact that it didn't have a website is number 1, or it doesn't have a website. The second thing is the fact that it darkens my feet. So maybe for you it might be different, but for me, I feel like since it dries up the skin and you feel like you want to use it, try to use it alongside. I will not say you should like totally depend on only Dudu Osun for moisture or for hydrating. What you need to do, you can actually use another soap alongside Dudu Osun. Okay, so when you use Dudu Osun at night, you use this other one in the morning, or you just interchange it however it is you want it. That way it will balance up your skin. Okay, the next one here on my list is the Extract. I have reviewed Extract. Extracts come in 2 variants only, and their packaging are almost the same, but the difference is in the write-up. The Nigerian one has the Arabic write-up, and then the the foreign one does not have the Arabic write-up, so people are going for the foreign one because they feel it's best. But you guys, the soaps, all of them, they were made from the same company, just an ingredient makes it the difference, or the packaging. So okay, but yeah, truly it just, I feel for some reason it works different. I don't know because I have used the both, so I didn't really see any. For me, I'm using extract is extract. The green one is for dark, then the yellow one is for lightening. Okay, but all of them, they just do the same thing. And the foreign one as well, a lot of people said it does better than the Nigerian one. Like I said, I've used it and the soap is nice. Not like it's not nice, it's nice. I have a friend that I've been using this soap for like 7 years now. She hasn't changed anything. Like she has been using this soap over and over and over. She buys packs of it, and so that she doesn't run out of it. So that's how good the soap is on her. Okay, extract is good. Do I have anything I don't like about the soap? No, I like everything about the soap. It smells nice, and yes, it's a minimalist lightening soap that will lighten you as well. But I will say, do not forget to moisturize your skin. Do they have a website? No. So why I said they were made from the same people, and this lies about a foreign one and the Nigerian one, I don't know where that is coming from. The fact that they do not have a website, because at least the foreign one should have a website if the Nigerian one does not. Okay, like I said, they also work in their own ways. They work based on your skin type. Like the Nigeria one is for people with stubborn skin, then the foreign one is for people with sensitive skin, or however you choose to call it. Okay, yeah, that's extract. Should you use extract? Yes, by all means, please do. If it's good on you, just do. Don't follow what people are saying. Like, don't think, oh, because it does this or that. But the problem about this is the fact that they do not have like a website you can go and read about the soap and how best to use it. But for me, I feel like it's very, very, very nice. Just use it. Okay, the last but not the least is the Asante bathing soap, the bar soap. See, the thing is, this soap is one soap that people really like a lot. But the way it dries out the skin is on another level. It just dries out the skin too much. Before you come out from the bathroom, you see that dryness, like glaring, very, very glaring. I use Asante on my face, like use it to scrub my face, and then before I came out from the bathroom and dabbed my face with a towel, it was already shining, like shining dry. Okay, so is the soap good for clearing hyperpigmentation? Yes. Is it good for clearing dark spot? Yes. But is it good to be using it every day? I won't advise it. So you just like every other ones I have listed, you should use it alongside a moisturizing soap that will help moisturize your skin. Okay, because you need that moisture on your skin, because if your face is always drying as a result of this soap or using this soap, you are going to be prone to premature aging. Okay, so you don't need this. What you need to do is incorporate it with a lightening soap, or incorporate it with a moisturizing soap, or better still, get an oil. After using it, don't dab your skin, rub oil on your skin before then going in with a lotion. That way you will enjoy this soap. The fact that it itches on the face is what I don't understand as well. It just itches on the face, and when you use it, you get this burning sensation for the first for the first 1 week. It clears your skin, then after a while you see sunburn, you see redness. That's what I don't understand about it. So in order for you to avoid the sunburn and the redness and whatnot, please try as much as you can to use it alongside an oil. So like after coming out from the bathroom, do not completely dry up your skin. Just use an oil on your skin immediately before going in with your lotion. That way it will prevent you from having the sunburn or whatever it is that it will bring to your skin or on your skin. If you ask me, this soap is particularly formulated for people with severe acne or hyperpigmentation, because it just helps to dry out the acne on your face. Okay, it just tightens up the pores. So it's not like it's bad, but it was formulated for a specific reason or a specific issue on the skin. But people are now using it as their everyday soap. That's why you tend to see a lot of complaints about the soap. I hope you guys understand. Okay, so if you want to use Asante, you should use it for this purpose, and if you want to make it your regular soap, yeah, you can make your regular soap if it's good on you. Why some of us we treat sunburn and it doesn't go is because the product we are suspecting that is giving us the sunburn is not this product that is actually giving us the sunburn. That's why we change our cream, body oils, we change our serums, we change our facial creams, our toner, cleansers, and we still have the sunburn. Why? Have you taken time to look at the soap you're using? Because the soap can actually cause you dryness, thereby making your face or giving you all this discoloration, dry skin, whatever it is, sunburn and redness. So in order to avoid this, do not joke with your moisturizers as well as your sunscreen. So when you're using these soaps, try to use a sunscreen. The mildest of them all here is the I think is the extract. Extract is very cool, but then again, for some reasons it dries off the skin. So try to use alongside a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Send this video to people who want to see something like this, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.